Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, in today's video I want to show you how you can import CSV file to your Bigquery. Okay, first of all I will show you where to get data sets. So the place we'll be getting data sets in today's tutorial is from a website called cargo.com. On cargo.com, if you don't have an account, I think you should create one. It's a very nice platform. If you are learning or you are already an expert, you can compete in cargo and do every other thing and have access to so many data. So once you are in cargo, you have finished creating your account. You can look by your left side, you see home, competitions, data sets. Click on data sets. There are different domains of data that you can have access to. We have computer science, education, classification, and several other ones. So, but today we are going to use one from education. So, here we have 5,156 data sets, and let's choose students' performance in exams. Okay, so these data sets, you can see, you can check the metadata. And you can click here to download this file. This data is in CSV form. So once I click that, it's downloading, but it's in a zip file. So we have to extract it to have access to the Excel CSV. So right now I will go to my downloads. So this is my download. I will extract this file. Extract file. Okay, give it a name. New folder. Education. I have the exams data sets in my folder now, so it's already here. So when you are using Bigquery, first of all, let's log into Bigquery console. So right now we are on Bigquery console. So the next thing you would like to do, as you can see here, I have a data set here, but to create a new data set, so you have to click here, create data set. I have to give it the name education. Leave this blank, then click on create. I have created a data set, but where is it? Come to this place, click here. So my data set is here in education, but currently there is no table in my data set, so we have to create a table. So on these three dots again, click on that and create a table. So because I already have the CSV file that I want to upload, so we are going to choose our source of upload, our source of data as upload. Then we browse the data that we want to upload. Downloads, education. All right, so automatically it will dictate the file format of the file, and here you have to give it the table a name. So we say education data. So before we create the table, don't forget to click on auto dictate. Okay, and create your table. All right, we have created the table. So first of all, we created a data set, which is this one, and we created a table. So under these data sets, you can have several tables as you want. So right now that we have a table in it, let's open it up. So in our table, these are the columns that we have 8 columns. This is the details. Their size is showing you the metadata, and we can preview our table. So by previewing the table, you will have insight on okay, the columns that you have. In case you want to run a query, you should know the names of the columns in your table. And again, you can have a look on it and see how the data is displayed. So the three main functions you must have or always remember to have in your console is select, from, where. Okay, so selecting means what do you want from your table? What do you want to select? Do you want to get everything in the table? That means you are selecting all. When you are selecting all, you should use asterisk. That means you are getting everything in your table. But then from will let us to know from where are we getting it. So because we have a data set here and we have a table, sometimes we may have 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on tables. So I may be working with this and working with another table. So when I now want to select from, I now have to choose from what table inside of this data set. I just have one, so it's from education.data. So we type education, oops, excuse me, education dot. So education is the data set. Then right now I'll write the table hyphen data. All right, so what do I want to get from my table? Okay, let me go back and know what actually do I need. So I would like to have in this test preparation course, so we can see that some students did not prepare for the test while some completed the test. So I can say that I want to have all the list of students that completed this test preparation. Okay, so I'll go back. I will say where tests. Sometimes it gives you suggestion. Test preparation is equal to, remember to always use that is hyphen, right? No, not hyphen, apostrophe. Maybe I've forgotten what it's called. Apostrophe when you are typing name of a column, because it's in the form of boolean. Okay, so we type completed. So we want to get all the students who completed the test preparation course, but then we want to sort them according to sort them according to gender, and the gender will be in the form of alphabetical order. So we now say order by gender. So in what way do I want to order my gender? I want it to be in ascending order. So what it means is that I use where to filter out only the people that have completed the courses. So I don't want the people that did not complete it, just ones that have completed it. Then out of the ones that have completed the courses, I want them to be arranged according to gender. So if they are arranged according to gender, the results we are going to see is that female will come first before male, because F comes before M. Let's try it and see. Run the query. Okay, so we have a total number of 335 students who completed the test preparation course. This data set contains 1000 students. So out of 1000 students, 335 did their test preparation course, and we are getting it in ascending order, arranged or ordered using gender. So we can also go further to see where the male started. So you can see we have male here. Okay, so this is the female stopped at 160 while the male started at from 161. So we can also do it from ascending order by removing descending order, ascending to descending. Then we do that. So it will start to give us people that completed the test from male. But what if we want to have just the ones that did not complete that? We put none, because the two options we have here is none and completed. So let's see. So we have 335 here, so we should have the opposite. But we minus 335 from 1000, what should we have? Let's see. There is no data to display. Oh, I made mistake here. Let me. So it's case sensitive, because here it's written as lowercase none. I wrote uppercase none. So we have 665 did not complete the test. All right, so guys, this is just a short introduction on how to import CSV file to Bigquery. I know I extended further to give this little explanation, but in my other video we go further to explain how to actually start everything on Bigquery from the fresh, get data from Bigquery and clean it, analyze it. And thank you for watching. Please, if you like my video, if this video was beneficial to you, please give it a like, and if you wish, you can subscribe to my channel. This is a way to let the YouTube algorithm know that you actually like, or this video was good for you, and it can recommend this video to other people that need them. Thank you for watching.